Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to cancel Facebook account deletion. So if you've requested to delete your Facebook account but change your mind, you can cancel the deletion as long as you're still within Facebook's deletion grace period, which is 30 days. So to start, so on the Facebook app, so open the Facebook app, then log into the account you requested to delete. So when prompted, you can tap cancel deletion and your account will be restored and the deletion process will stop. Now, if you're on Facebook website, you can go to Facebook and log into the account scheduled for deletion. If the deletion request is still pending, Facebook will show you a notification about the upcoming deletion. Then just click cancel deletion and follow any on-screen prompts to confirm your choice, and that's it. Now, what if the deletion period has passed? If Facebook has already permanently deleted your account, it cannot be recovered. You'll need to create a new account to use Facebook again. So, tips: log in as soon as possible after requesting deletion, and make sure you're using the same email address, phone number, and password associated with the account. If you can't log in, try resetting your password before the deletion deadline expires. And that's basically it.